Good morning, guys. So right now it's really early and I'm gonna meet one of my friends and go somewhere. And this is my college. It's currently 6:20. Yeah, and I'll be having classes till 10:40 and
यो चाहिँ उर्केहरूको बेन्चको पहाड हो
पढ्छु भनेर आएको हो
कपी नबोकेर I'm in the Zoom now. Why is that? That's why I don't want to go to bridge. Da, thumbnail. Karina, pick you too. Bye.
Yes, you guys can see my pretty ear piercings. I got new piercings and yeah, it did hurt a little bit. It was a pinch hurt and I got common cold. And have a look. I'm just showing off it too much. I'm sorry. I'm trying to get my notes done. You know, I have a lot of leftover notes to do, so let's see whether I can finish it or not. My aunt made this delicious chutpati. ASMR. So guys, right now I'm in the prayer room and I'm going to collect these water offerings. Now they are doing exercise. You know, he has been doing exercise 4 times a day. Stand up, stand up. How many times are you want to do? You did 4 times.
Until this video's over, I'll stop.
It's rest time. Oh my god, you guys are so dumb.
Look here.
Next, reverse crunches. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Go. Let's eat 2 at the same time.
Okay, let's do it.
2 at the same time. No, you go. 2 at the same time.
1, 2, 3, go. Come in here.
Mm. No cheers. Because we bite it. Wow. Look here. How do you think that video?
Right now I'm at Boudha with my sister and we came in a rush to watch movie, but then we didn't get tickets. It's Tuesday, it's cheap, but we didn't get, so we are going to watch it tomorrow and I hope we get the tickets. And right now we cancel the plan and we are going to do 3 Kora and return back home.